Hello, I'm John Treadgold for the Finance News Network, and joining me today from Huon Aquaculture is CEO Peter Bender. Peter, congratulations on today's listing on the Australian Securities Exchange.
Thanks, John. It's certainly been a great day for Huon Aquaculture.
A key question to start with is, what price did Huon list at, and what value does that put on the company?
Yeah, the listing price was $4.75, and that gives us a total market capitalisation of $417 million.
Your IPO was aiming to raise $133 million. How much did you raise, and where will the funds be directed?
Yeah, we raised $133 million. It was actually oversubscribed. We've got a program of a controlled growth strategy, which we started last financial year, and that involves expanding every aspect of the business. We're putting in a new hatchery, expanding our marine farming operations into more high energy sites. We've got a new wellboat coming out from Norway that will do a lot of the fish handling on the farm. A new value-added facility is being built at Parramatta Creek, and we're building 9 new feed barges for the company. So lots of things happening.
Huon Aquaculture is one of Australia's largest producers of salmon. It operates a vertically integrated company that does everything from farming the fish to producing it for market. Can you tell us a little bit more about the operation and your prospects for growth?
It's certainly a great industry. The market is growing very quickly. Our business, as you say, is fully vertically integrated. We've got hatcheries around the state. We farm in the 2 growing regions of Tasmania that are suitable for growing salmon. We've got our own processing factories. We're about to build the value-added plant at Parramatta Creek, so all of our facilities are under one roof. We're actually quite an innovative company as well. We've got our own workshop facilities, and we design and build a lot of our own equipment. So it's a company that's developed quite a lot of equipment, particularly in the salmon farming area.
Okay, so innovation is clearly important. Can you tell us a little bit more about how it operates within your business?
In terms of our feeding systems, feed's about half of the cost of growing the salmon. And a number of years ago, we developed a feeding system that worked on giving the fish, it works adaptively, and it gives the fish as much as what they want to eat. And we've just incorporated that into a new feed barge system that enables us to feed the fish more efficiently, enables us to go to the more offshore sites, and still enables us to feed the fish as much as what they want. But we certainly have a lot of other new things that we've been working on. We've got a new fortress pen system, and that's designed to keep any predators away from the fish and give the fish a really good growing environment to be in.
And in regards to that, how do you manage retaining staff and maintaining that valuable intellectual property?
We've patented quite a few of the new developments that we're working on, and we've certainly got great staff. They love working for the business. We certainly look after them well. In fact, we've given all of the staff a gift of shares and also given them the ability to turn their bonuses into shares at a discount as well. So we love involving the staff in the business as much as we can and trying to give them ownership in the business as well.
And what sets Huon apart from other key players in the industry?
I think our main focus is on quality in everything we do, and that starts right at the hatchery end, right through the farming of the fish, the way we harvest our fish and process them. Everything is really around quality and innovation. We try to take the best ideas from around the world and then see how we can improve on them, and that's what we're doing in all areas of the business.
You currently sell mainly to a domestic market. Are there plans to expand offshore?
At the moment, the domestic market's taking most of the salmon we can produce. It's been growing incredibly quickly in the last few years. Our domestic wholesale sales last year grew at 32% by volume and 43% by value. So it's growing very quickly here domestically, so it's difficult to provide too much salmon for the export market. But as we grow the business, we're hoping we can still export some fish because there's certainly opportunities in Asia to do so. But at the moment, the domestic market's taken the majority of the fish.
Finally, Peter, what will Huon Aquaculture be focused on now that you're a public company? And where do you hope to see the company this time next year?
I think it's really working through our controlled growth strategy that we put in place about a year ago. We're spending about $200 million over about a 3-year period on growing the business, putting all the things in place, not just to expand, but to make the business more efficient. So that's where we'll be heading over the next 12 months.
Peter Bender, thank you for introducing us to Huon Aquaculture, and congratulations once again on your ASX debut.
Okay, thanks very much, John. It's great.